What's by this is Virtual Boy, and welcome back to a new reaction video. And today we are reacting to Doctor Who Season 3, Episode 12, The Sound of Drums. I would say The Sound of the Drums, but now it's called The Sound of Drums. We're getting nearer to the end. Season 3 has been good. So, the way that I'm gonna explain Season 3 to you guys, and I really hope you guys understand what I'm saying, because even I don't even understand what I'm saying. So, Season 3 as a season has been my least favorite. Like, as a season, it's been my least favorite. But it's had the most enjoyable episodes for me, I think. It has better writing, better characters. But as a season, like, I don't like it that much. Because, it's because I'm watching, like, different stuff. It's like the seasons aren't connecting. It's like season 1 and 2 had some type of connection. I don't know what it was. Well, season 1 was all about like Rose. Season 2, all about like I don't know what season 2 was all about, but it still had something. And season 3's been like all over the place. Like, we go to Shakespeare, to the future, to Manhattan, to Doctor losing his mind. So, I'm saying the episodes are good. It just doesn't make sense as a season. It doesn't make sense to me because, I don't know. Like, I got used to the fact that the Doctor Who wasn't a continuous storyline. And, like, you don't have to watch every single episode for it to make sense. I got used to that. But, still, this is really, like, this season has been really all over the place for me. Not saying I don't like it. I'm not saying I don't like it, but it has been all over the place. Anyway, but there is one thing that's been coherent. Is that the right word? It's Harold Saxton. So we got to see who that is. Anyway, let's go ahead and watch The Sound of the Drums, and let's see what it's all about. That is pretty cool. Oh, that was hot. Also, oh, Jack did that.
That's because you didn't have me. Martha, rebel!
Nah. That's pretty cool.
The end of the universe, get stuck with an ex-time agent and his vortex manipulator.
But this master bloke, he's got the TARDIS. He could be there in time and space.
No, why so low?
Trust me.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm sorry for interrupting in front of the in beginning of the reaction, but I was gonna say last episode. I forgot. Last episode during my discussion, I was gonna say Martha needs to chill out with the Rose talk. I mean, like, she was before you, Martha. I get you're kind of jealous. I don't know what this man brings to the table that everybody wants to date, but it's just the Doctor, Martha. He can talk about. But then the Rose did the same exact thing when he was talking about Sarah Jane Smith. I don't get what it is about the Doctor and his companion's jealousy. I don't get what it is, but let's go ahead.
I'm not always do.
But hold on. If he could be anyone...
He could be Saxon. Is he Saxon? He's the Prime Minister?
The Master is Prime Minister of Great Britain. The Master and his wife.
This country has been sick. This country needs healing.
What do you need with the country, Mr. Saxon?
In fact, I'd go so far as to say that what this country really needs right now is a doctor.
What? For what, though? But, like... So, he went back in time. So, I mean, Martha's been hearing Harold Saxon forever. Like, forever. So, that means he went back in time before 2007 and labeled himself as Harold Saxon. Oh my, wow. This has really been a turn of events. Like I said, as a season, it's been kind of weird. But as episodes, it's really good. And it's been really good. Where's Harriet Jones at?
The cabinet in session. Let the work of government begin. Is your reward?
Excuse me, Prime Minister. Do you mind my asking, what is that?
So he doesn't die.
It's a gas mask.
Why are you killing all of them? What did they do? Are you allowed to do that?
You gonna tell us who he is?
He's a Time Lord.
What about the rest of it?
A good
he called
one?
himself the Master.
That's all you need to know.
Kind of like how he calls himself the Doctor.
Show me Harold Saxon.
Could have called Tosh or Gwen. Harry Jones 2.0. Remember when Harry Jones was like, please, sir, please, sir, please, sir, during the Slovene attack?
I'm here to see Mrs. Saxon.
Mrs. Saxon.
I have reason to believe that you're in very great danger. All of us, in fact.
Wow.
Not just the country, but the whole world. No, I beg of you, hear me out.
What are you talking about?
Your husband is not who he says he is. I'm sorry. But it's a lie.
I'm voting Saxon.
Her?
You can take my box.
They put her on the show?
I think Mr. Saxon is exactly what this country needs.
They put the X Factor lady on the show. I don't know who she is. I just called her X Factor lady. I don't like her. I don't know her to like her, but she seems very rude to me.
Oh, thanks.
I don't know if Simon liked her either.
I made my choice.
I'm sorry.
For better or for worse.
Oh yeah, he's mind controlling some of them. Look.
My faithful companion.
Who are you?
I am the Master. And these are my friends.
What? That was kind of cool. This dude's kind of corny. I don't know who this actor is, but he's kind of weird. But
Can't you hear it, Mrs. Rook?
Tops. The most he could have been here is 18 months. How has he managed all this? The Master was always sort of hypnotic, but this is on a massive scale.
I was gonna vote for him.
Really?
Yeah.
It was before I even met you. But you could trust him.
Look, it's that little,
Nice.
that little.
Spoke about... I can't really remember, but it was good.
That little tap is
Just
making,
the sound of his voice.
probably making them.
What? That tapping, that rhythm.
My purpose here today is to tell you this. Citizens of Great Britain, I have been contacted. A message for you.
I just realized that da 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 is the same tap as this. Da, 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 da. Doctor.
Medical student.
Oh! They bombed her house. I bet her mom did that. Her mom did. Her mom probably didn't do that, but the people in her house probably did that. Well, where is your mom during all this? Your mom is probably working with Harold Saxon.
Perhaps you should come round.
Mr. Saxon, we have condition red on the Jones plan. We're taking them in. All of them.
I was helping you.
Yeah, you shouldn't have. You should help your daughter first. I'm wondering what's going on with Jack, but I realize this is a PG show and he's not saying his normal, you know, jokes. So that's not his fault. That's your mom's fault. If your mom wouldn't have gone running around asking for help.
Master.
I like it when you use my name.
What?
Psychiatrist field day.
As you chose yours.
What happened to you?
The Time Lords only resurrected me because they knew I'd be the perfect warrior for a time war.
But why are you bad? Were you always bad?
Oh, and you can tell, handsome Jack, that I've sent his little gang off on a wild goose chase to the Himalayas. So I'm not getting any help from them.
Torchwood, Gwen.
Off you go. Why not start by turning?
That would have been nice to see them here, though. That would have been nice. Maybe they couldn't get them.
I'm talking about my brother on the run. How did this happen?
Chips. Actually, they're not bad.
What are they eating? Subs?
But all the legends of Gallifrey made it sound so perfect.
Well, perfect to look at, maybe. And it was. It was beautiful.
A lot of drama inside, though.
Used to call it the shining world of the Seven System. There stood the citadel of the Time Lords.
Ooh.
The oldest and most mighty race in the universe.
It's inside like a globe? Is that the atmosphere?
Looking down on the galaxies below. Sworn never to interfere. time and space, just a child. Someone be inspired.
That's why he's so messed up.
There's something I haven't told you.
You're part of Torchwood? Oh, he hasn't told him that? No.
I swear to you, it's different. It's changed. There's only a half dozen of us now.
Torchwood did, and you're part of it.
The old regime was destroyed at Canary Wharf. I rebuilt it. I changed it.
If I haven't returned to my desk by 2200, this file will be emailed to Torchwood. Which means if you're watching this, then I'm...
dead.
Anyway, the Saxon files are attached. But take a look at the Archangel document.
He's dead, huh?
That's when it all started, when Harry Saxon became minister in charge of launching the Archangel network.
What's the Archangel network?
I've got Archangel. Everyone's got it.
It's a mobile phone network, because look, it's gone worldwide.
What?
Oh, yeah. It's like, I know you're there, but I don't want to know.
Oh.
See? Just shift your perception a tiny little bit. Doesn't make us invisible, just unnoticed.
Oh, it makes you unnoticed. Alright.
I know what it's like. It's like when you fancy someone and they don't even know you exist. That's what it's like.
That's messed up.
You too, huh?
Jack needs to know all the details so he can help you, Martha.
Mr. Saxon, the British Army will stand down. From now on, UNIT has control of this operation.
Unit's an American company. I've heard of.
Invasion. First contact
heard about UNIT.
Decided by the Security Council in 1968, and you've just gone and ignored it.
Well, you know what it's like. New job, all that paperwork.
But there are provisions at the UN to have you removed from office unless you are
the United Nations.
Is that understood? Are you taking this seriously?
Wow.
To business.
I would love to see someone punch him in the face. What?
Say I use this perception filter to walk up behind him and break his neck.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Well, that sounds like Torchwood.
Yeah. That's what I am saying. I hope nobody.
In the skies of planet Earth.
What? They're in space? Wow. Oh. Well, they're not in space, it looks like. They're still on Earth. They're still in orbit, but... Any other world leaders here?
I could make the tea, or isn't that American enough? I don't know, I could make grits. What are grits, anyway?
If you could just sit.
I don't know what grits are either. That's South. That's South. It's like little... I don't know what grits are, like little grains. That's messed up though. Nah, okay.
No, it can't be.
Doctor, what is it?
He's cannibalized the TARDIS.
Is this what I think it is?
It's a paradox machine.
What does that mean?
2 minutes, everyone.
Is that a Russian guy, Soviet?
All armed personnel are requested to leave the flight deck immediately. Thank you.
Look at him eating.
World. I stand before you today as ambassador for humanity, a role I will undertake with the utmost solemnity. I ask of the human race to join with me in welcoming our friends. I give you the Toclafane.
You're not the master.
We like the Mr. Master.
We don't like you.
I can be master if you so wish.
I'm taking control, Uncle Sam.
Oh.
You.
You're gonna kill... But that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. Look at Mr. President right there. Who's gonna lead America? Oh, we're screwed. Anyway, no one's gonna do anything about this?
Nobody move! Nobody move!
Great Britain has gone out of control. What are we gonna do?
Carefully. I got that job merely by coincidence. I've been laying traps for you all this time. And if I can concentrate all that Lazarus technology into one little screwdriver. But, ooh, if only I had the doctor's biological code. Get out of here.
What is he doing? Oh, he's gonna become an old man? Old David? Oh! An old doctor?
Who are they?
Doctor, if I told you the truth, your hearts would break.
Is it time?
What? Are they Time Lords? Oh, yeah. Going out in style, I see. Another invasion?
I don't know.
Millions. Why would she go there? There's no coming back from this. I don't know. I don't care what you say.
I'm coming back.
So where is she gonna go? I don't know what he has. I don't know what he has against Earth.
I thought it good.
Is that real? Wait a minute. I'm sorry. I got kind of. Is that a real man? That can't be a real man. That has to be David Tennant wearing makeup. I'm sorry to the. I'm sorry if that's a real man, but it has to be David Tennant wearing makeup. Anyway, this after I wear AirPods for a long time. This episode was really good. I can't stand Harold Saxon. I can't stand him. The Master, whoever he calls himself. I cannot stand him. I don't know, but he's a great villain. Like, I really can't stand him. Anyway, we're gonna go and find out how are they going to fix this? I don't get how they're gonna fix this. Number one, America's screwed. Our president died. So we're screwed already. And then everywhere else is screwed? How? I don't get it. I don't get why he's doing this, but like, what's his vendetta against Earth? What does he have against Earth when he looked? His mind got crazy when he looked into the vortex thing when he was just a kid. It was really nice seeing the flashbacks to Gallifrey, and Unit. I didn't know Unit. I heard about Unit. I didn't know Unit was an American Is it an American organization? It said the president knows about Unit, so I don't know. Jack has really been top secret about Torchwood. Not even the Doctor knew about Torchwood. But I did forget what Torchwood version 2 did. I did forget that they did open a portal to another Earth. And it was actually really nice. Having all those like stories kind of connect. So I don't know if like there's been stuff throughout the season where like if you watch it back, you kind of know that it's been Harold Saxon all along. That was really smart what they did with the face of Bo saying "You are not alone," and they made the old man's name Dr. Yana or Yana, whatever it was. And what's the point of making I don't know what the point of making the doctor old. I don't get what the point was. There better not be any Daleks for this finale. I don't know. I need a finale-less Dalek. Or a Dalek. What did I say? I need a Dalek-less finale. I don't know. Because there's been a Dalek every single finale. So I need this finale to be kind of independent. But I do wonder what the Daleks are doing now. Because, you know, when you think of Doctor Who, you think of the Doctor, the TARDIS, and Daleks. That's at least what I think about it. Anyway, I'm really excited to see the finale, see what's gonna go on. As you are watching this, I am on vacation, so I'm not sure when I'll be starting season 3, but I'll talk about season 4. But I'll be talking all about that at the end of the reactions. So at the end of next episode, sorry. So yeah, I'll say thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.